Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the app of LinkedIn and you click. Here in this page of app info, you click on first app and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that, we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You can wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.